Okay. Before the Industrial Revolution, people used horse-drawn carriages to travel and transport goods. Usually goods did not move far, so the areas were self-sufficient. As a result, road systems were in poor condition because not enough people would use them, so people would not repair the roads. Before the Industrial Revolution, ships used natural forces such as wind or the currents of rivers. Using the currents of rivers could only transport goods downstream, not upstream. This forced people to hike back up the river, back to their homes, which would often take days to do. The turnpike was the first innovation of the Industrial Revolution. A turnpike is a privately owned road system built by entrepreneurs to transport goods faster. The first turnpike was built in 1663, but only covered 3 counties. They charged travelers a fee to use their roads. The canals was another new transportation system built in 1759 during the Industrial Revolution. It was slow but could transport fragile goods. The canals and turnpikes were the first to connect every part of Britain. With the introduction of the steam engines in the 1830s, steam locomotives and steamboats replaced the canals and became the main transportation systems of the Industrial Revolution. The steamships were built in 1821, could transport goods overseas efficiently and safely. Steam locomotives were faster and more comfortable than traveling by horse or carriage. The first railroad was completed in 1825. They could also transport a large amount of people and goods. During the Industrial Revolution, advancements improved in the quality of iron and decreased the cost of iron. This allowed them to make bigger bridges that made travel by foot, carriage, and railroad more efficient. The Iron Bridge was built by Abraham Derby III and completed in 1779. The decreased cost of iron made parts of the steam engine cheaper, which resulted in more steamboats and locomotives. The inventions of the Industrial Revolution made